Guys, welcome back again. So today we're gonna code our app. Last time we did it in Python. If you guys already watched the previous video where I was coding an app that can assist you in finance when it comes to you, like when you want to save, if you need like an assistant on how to use your money. So now we're gonna use Java to code that app, and then after Java, on the next video we're gonna use Android Studio and create a real world app that you're gonna publish on Play Store. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, don't mind these things on the side. These ones, don't mind these ones. It's just some external files to work this Java engine work. Okay, so our main focus must be on this side. Okay, our main focus must be on this side. So let's get started. The name of our app will be let's just say finance assistance, or let's say assistant. Yeah, okay, because this time, remember, if you guys can remember, we called our app, it was how to spend, nah? So now we're gonna change the name. We'll call it finance assistant. Okay, so let's get started. So now I'm gonna use Java code, means must say public class. Okay, public class, and then Java is gonna help us here with some of the necessary parts of it to get it working. So you can see here I did put these curly braces. Okay, so inside this curly braces I must say PSVM public void static main. Okay, I'll try to create a full Java course for those who don't know how to use Java, or for those who don't know how to code in Java. Okay, so now I just keep on typing, coding, just to get our app working. Okay, so let's continue. And then inside here, when I say print, no, this is not Python, I'm sorry. I'm gonna say system.out.println, then I say hello. I say hello, welcome to finance assistant. Okay, let's try to run this code and see if we can run. Let's see, yeah, it's building now. You can click here to see the process. Background task. So what basically this app's gonna do is it's gonna assist us on how to spend our money. Let's say maybe you have 100 rand. It's gonna tell you how much can you spend in 30 days from that 100 rand. Okay, so it's gonna help us on how to manage our money. Okay, so and then the next message we're gonna say how much you have. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you that question, how much you have. Okay, I did write that one, just done. Let's run it again. Here's the question, how much you have, and then to respond to it you must use a class called scanner. Okay, when you scanner, what is it last? Then you say let me say current man. Let me say my current balance. My current money. Yeah, let me just say that. is equals to new scanner dot system dot in. Okay, then I'll say print you have, and then plus my current man. Okay, let's run it and check if it does work properly. Zip. Okay, just write the function doesn't scan my input. So how much we have, which means we have a problem. I must say my current man dot next to get the input. Okay, which means this variable must change it, and let's say string, let's say int. It's fine. Let me say string my balance is equals to this. I think we must change this one and say get current man. Okay, so say get current man. Yeah, then here I need my balance. So it means this string is going to store our input, the one we're going to type, the one we want to respond to the computer, because it's going to ask us how much you have, and then going to say maybe 100 rand or 2 rand. Then it's going to store it inside this name here, my balance. Then it's going to print it here. Okay, let's run it again. How much you have? Let's say maybe 600. You have 600. Okay, does that correctly. Let's make it more precise. Let's put the R in rands, because we're using rands here, because we're in South Africa. How much we have? 500. Yeah, 500 rand. Okay, so now we want to check now how much can I spend if I have that amount of money in 30 days. So let's create a function. Yeah. I'm gonna say public void spending in 30 days. What must I say? Spending in 30 days. Spending in 30 days. Okay, that's the function. So what we need here is a string of balance. I'm gonna call it balance. Okay, so when I say if balance, or let's take the balance, let's not say if balance, let's say integer dot value of balance divided by 30 days. Did it work? Let's check what's the problem about it. 3,000 spawn, yeah. So just delete this one. Let's say int balance, actual balance is equal to integer dot value of balance. Okay, and then you say actual balance divided by 30 days. I don't know why they're doing this, huh? And see, get it rid of the actual balance divided by 30 days. Whatever. I don't know why they're doing this, huh? Okay, let's just print the balance, yeah. Actual balance. And here, get rid of actual balance. What does it mean? String get rid of, okay? String get rid of. Why don't just convert it into a string? Okay, let's try it. Okay, don't run now. Let me take the balance and say spending in 30 days. Then put my balance. This one, let's go public static void. I don't know why it doesn't spend. Did I write the correct one? Here we go. Let's check if it's gonna print the balance. How much you have? 400. Yeah, 400. Yeah, I did print it. Okay. This string, I want to divide it into 30 days. String that value of actual balance divided by 30 days. Well, now it does work now. Perfect. String money to spend in 30 days equals to this. Money to spend. Okay, let's try it. If I have maybe 100 rand, let's see how much can I spend in 30 days. 100 rand. 3 rand means I can spend 3 rand for 30 days. Okay, let's check if I have maybe 5,000. Okay, when I run it again. Okay, if I have like 5k, it means I can spend 166 rand. Alright, so let's add some, let's add something here to make it readable, to make it clear to the user, understand that he can use this type of money per day to survive. You can only spend a maximum amount of and then when I say plus money to spend plus per day Let's put that area. Should visit per day. Okay, let's run it again. How much we have? 7, and you can only spend a maximum amount of 23 rand per day. Okay, it's working, it's working, it's working, it's working, it's working, it's working, it's working. The day is working with it, it's working, it's working. So now I think we must make like classes. Say like maybe if you have like less than 5,000, let's say maybe you belong to the lower class. But I don't think that's necessary. But it's a simple code. It can guide you on what to spend like per day. Okay, now let's say maybe if you have like maybe this amount of money, if you can spend maybe less than, if you have maybe a maximum spend amount of 3 rand, it means let's say maybe you can't survive. So it's just make a response message to say you can't survive, right? Okay, let's check if money to spend is less than spend is less than, let's say maybe less than, if you can't spend maybe more than 20 rand a day, it means it's bad. If it's less than 20 rand, I don't know why it's showing this. Interior. Get rid of less than 20. That brings I don't think you will survive with this amount of money. Please amount of money. Please try to make a plan to survive. Okay. It's less than 20. My show says measures. Okay, 100 rand. You have 100 rand. I don't think you will survive with this amount of money. Please try to make a plan to survive. You can only spend maximum of 2 rand per day. I must also print it here. I don't think you will survive. Okay. Then if NT dot value of money to spare isikalithala maybe ngilanga if ukhona like you spend maybe 100 rand, you can say what's going on? Can I say what's up here? Let me see. video off. I don't know why is it doing this. Okay. No, my grades are 100. You are under the middle class. At least you can survive for the next 30 days. Yeah. Paste this code. Yeah. Okay, let's check. See, maybe namhlanje I have 1,000 rand. 1,000 rand. Say 200 because it doesn't show this one. Say 200. Yeah, 200. Can you spend a maximum of 600 per year? I think it's say maybe I have 10,000. You have 10,000. You can only spend maximum of 30 per day. You are under the middle class. At least you can survive for the next 30 days. Yeah, it's working. It's working. So next time I'll try to make it like to give you options if you want to save maybe for the next 30 days. You wanna save maybe each and every money that you get, maybe you wanna save 30% of it. We'll try to code it to make you have that option where you can save. You see? But nevertheless, everything is working fine. Everything is working fine. Our real app is coming soon. It's coming soon. How much we have? 700. We have 700. Let's put another statement there. Let's say else. Please use your money wise. That's all I can say to you. It says maybe if we go maybe for like other amounts, let's say 700. Okay, please use your money wise. That's all I can say to you. At least it's working. It's not bad. So next time we'll try to put some more features on our finance app. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe and like and share.